Alright, I got this little thing set up here so I can try to figure out what's going on with my second carburetor, which seems to leak out of the overflow tube no matter what. The fuel is off right now. I will turn it on. What happened? I gotta raise the hose a little bit. So it's dripping, and that's because the needle seems to sit up in its seat and stick there. If I tap on the carburetor, eventually open. There we go. So then finally the needle drops out of its seat, can start pouring fuel. However, if I hold it up, see if we can get it to focus, there we go. That dripping never stops. And I've replaced the needle and seat several times. If I let go, still just keeps dripping as if the needle is closed. If I turn the fuel off, dripping stops.